I just wanted one last thing. Again, I want to cover just real estate for a little bit, because equities, or stock market investment versus real estate. Now that you've done both for many, many, many years, so have I. I've done investments in the market, and I also have real estate. What's your take on real estate versus equities or stock market investing?
With real estate, you can write off, you could depreciate your property for 29 and a half years. And if it's a commercial property, it's 39 and a half years.
So one sec about depreciation, and I always thought it was such a great thing, but in the end, it's not such. I mean, it's not as amazing as I thought it was, because yeah, you depreciate your property, but then when you go to sell it, you bought a property at, what, I don't know, $500,000, you depreciate it down to like 200,000. You go to sell it
You
now,
get
you
realized
have,
gains.
right.
It's called realized gains.
Yes, it's good every year when you're depreciating it, but then at the end, like I just don't see how, it is a good
Well,
idea, because
there are
hopefully,
there are different depreciation schedules depending on if you're going to sell it or if you're going to keep it for a very long time. There's also tricks and some creative accounting people that can get you out of paying big capital gains tax when you finally do sell. There's also reinvestment, loopholes called 1031 exchange, where you can not pay any tax, but if you die and your children go to sell, then they have to have a cost basis, and then the government will come after them for the money, the taxes. I have a rental house that I have for a very long time, and I'm switching it over to Airbnb, which would be great because I'll be able to stay there a couple of nights, maybe even use my own house as an Airbnb. But my whole idea is to do my taxes at the rental house. Even though I've been renting it and depreciating it for all of these years and keeping the rent money, if I put it down that I lived there 2 out of 5 years, then I'll be able to take it, being single, to be able to take a $250,000 deduction.